Good morning and welcome to GT Revolutions. My name's Matt Jaster, Senior Editor at Power Transmission Engineering and Gear Technology Magazine. I'm here this morning with David Goetz from Norton. Good morning.
Good morning.
So let's start right in. How does Norton stay current on marketing trends and industry demands today?
Well, we formed a dedicated gear market team, which encompasses management, our applications team, our product team, that they meet regularly. We get feedback from our sales team through Salesforce. It helps us kind of identify where market trends are going, what people are looking for as far as the demands for finish and quality. And by keeping up on that, it tends to keep us a step ahead, or hopefully a step ahead of where the market's going.
Great. How does Norton view the gear market in 2023?
In 2023, we recognize that the gear market is continuing to grow. We look at the automotive gear market predictions for like the next 5-10 years out, and it's a significant growth potential. We want to get into the gear market like we are as a leader in aerospace and automotive, so leveraging that kind of knowledge and technology to position us better for gear. We know the EV market especially is going to be a big focus. There's going to be more demands on finish and topography, so using our expertise to go after that. It's a really big potential market.
What other areas is your organization doing to support the gear market?
Attending conferences like this one. We have our OEM team, who's led by Dennis Keating, sitting right there, that helps us keep in touch with the machine manufacturers, so that as they get new opportunities and problems, they can rely on our experts to help come up with solutions. We've made really big advancements in our gear wheel manufacturing cell at our facility in Worcester, Massachusetts. We started holding some blank size unprofiled wheels to help speed up deliveries, so we can be more reactive when we get orders. Using what we learned from our new grains and bond technologies, applying those into gear wheels. We're trying to take and being a global business, what works in Europe or Asia, can we bring that here as well? So.
Okay. Can you provide some details on some of the Norton technologies and products suited for gear manufacturing that you're talking about here at the show?
Yeah, ones we're talking about at the show here, the main one is what we call Quantum Prime. It's the next generation of our quantum abrasive. It's a friable ceramic, so it gives us a much freer cutting wheel. The grain really self-sharpens, so we can do higher stock removals at lower power, so we're not risking the burn and the chatter that we would normally see with some operations. It gives us just a longer life. We can adjust feed rates. And then we have the new bond to hold it all together. We call it the VS3 PN. And what it is, besides being more form holding, it really cuts with a lot lower threshold. We have a lot lower interaction between the bond and the part, so you're not seeing the heat and the burn, and the grinding efficiencies have gone up significantly with that new bond system.
Great. Let's talk about the services and support that Norton provides this market.
Yeah, again, being a global business with Saint-Gobain, we can leverage technologies and resources from all over the world. So a lot of the machine manufacturers aren't North American based, they're European based, so we can still work and partner with them in Europe and come over on the spindle. We have an APS cell in our Worcester facility, and it's basically an automated cell. It's a robotic cell, but it helps us develop processes. We don't necessarily need to be on the machine at the customer. We can simulate it in our lab. We're working in our Higgins grinding center to do some other simulation type grinding, so that we can show at the end of the day, here's your material, here's our wheel, here's the results we expect, to help have more confidence when we do get to the customer site. Looking at different fast track testing programs, so that if we do get the opportunity, we can get to the customer quickly, don't have to wait all that lead time. We can strike when the iron's hot, so to speak. Just continuously looking to develop new plans and service for support. We find the knowledge base is changing. A lot of the people who are really experienced and really knowledgeable in gear grinding are retiring, they're moving on. And some of the newer people coming in, they're learning. So they rely very heavily on their OEM, their machine manufacturer for support. So we're positioning ourselves to be that support as well, right? Where if we come in and we test a product and qualify it, that's not the end of the story. You know, we're going to cycle back routinely to follow up, and is it still working for you? Can we optimize it more? You know, and keep looking for that continuous improvement, the cost savings, the optimization of the process.
Great. Well, thank you for joining us this morning. I appreciate it.
No, anytime, it was great.
Thanks.